Hey everybody, we're here with another science experiment. So today's is also kind of a little bit of a magic trick that we're calling magic spheres. And so all you're gonna need is a clear container with a lid, some popcorn kernels. This is how much I had. It probably works best if your container is about 3/4 full, but we're gonna go with this today. You're gonna need a ping pong ball, and then you're going to need a heavier ball that's close in size to the ping pong ball. So I have a couple rubber bouncy balls that I'm gonna show you, but like a marble that's close in size or something that's made of metal would work too, as long as it's heavier. So the idea here being that these two spheres that we're gonna be working with have similar volume, which means the space that a substance occupies, right? They're approximately the same size, but they differ in mass, which is how much matter is in an object. So this means they also have different densities. So density is the measurement of how much stuff is packed into an object. So something that is lower density always stacks on top of something that is higher density. And that is what this magic trick is all about. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the popcorn kernels in your container, then you take the ping pong ball, and you gotta push it down below the popcorn kernels so that we can't see it at all. Make sure it's covered. You can use your hand if you want. This container is just too narrow for my hand, so I have to use this. And then you're gonna put the heavier ball on top. You're just gonna drop it in like that. Put the lid on. And then you're gonna shake it in kind of a swirling motion like this. And there it is. That ping pong ball comes up from the bottom and eventually stacks on top of the heavier ball. And you can see it, if we were able to fill it up more with popcorn kernels, there's a good chance that the heavier ball would sink, beneath the kernels completely and just the ping pong ball would be on top. So again, the lower density object, the ping pong ball, always wants to stack on top of the higher density object. And that swirling motion of the popcorn kernels, which they have a density probably in between these two objects, is what allows the heavier one to move down and the lighter, less dense one to move up. And so that is magic spheres. You can try that trick with your friends and family and tell them you can get the ping pong ball to pop up. You can also try it with different shapes and sizes of balls and objects that you have at home. So that's it. Really simple, quick and easy magic spheres. Thanks for watching.